Good evening, everyone. Thanks so much for joining us tonight. There were fireworks today in court as a jury found Timothy Morgan guilty of second-degree murder and killing his brother-in-law, Eric Primusberger.
Now, when the verdict was read, both the defendant's mom and the victim's mother stood up to say the court was wrong and they had the wrong person, that someone else actually killed Eric. News 4's Ben Briscoe was there. As all this was happening, he joined us now with more on why these two women feel so strongly that justice was not served in this case. Ben?
Earlier today, the prosecutor said in closing arguments that this case already seems more like a TV show than real life. And just when you thought things couldn't get more dramatic, well, watch what happened next.
Excuse me, my son did not do this. My daughter did!
Defendant Timothy Morgan's mother, Lisa Fargan, was escorted out of the courtroom, where she later explained she thinks her son was set up to take the fall for his sister, the victim's wife.
I believe he's truly innocent in this case. I really do. I think they got the wrong one.
This comes despite the fact Timothy confessed to investigators, saying he bashed Eric's head in with a baseball bat in self-defense.
Seriously, I took a life. I did it.
I know it looks bad. I know my son confessed. But people do that all the time. He was manipulated and pushed into it to cover up for Christy and Eric's whatever fights and stuff.
Last week, News 4 brought you the testimony of the woman she's accusing, Christy Primusberger. Christy told the jury she saw Timothy injuring her husband firsthand.
And my brother struck Eric.
Christy then said she panicked and started cleaning up the crime scene before the siblings hid his body in the back of an SUV parked at grocery stores and hotels all around town.
She disgusts me at this point.
There is one more voice in this you might want to hear. Eric Primusberger's mom, Kay, also says the court got the wrong person.
They were best of friends. Timothy never would have hurt Eric, and Eric never would have hurt Timothy, no matter what.
But despite their protest, the verdict still stands, and Timothy Morgan is now officially guilty of murder in the second degree. And sentencing for Timothy Morgan is expected to take place sometime in July. Right now, there is no plan to charge his sister Christy with anything related to this crime. She also was not in the courtroom today, so we regrettably weren't able to get her immediate comment for this story. Live in downtown Reno, Ben Briscoe, News 4.